kung sakali pong nagkaroon talaga ng kasunduan na ito'y ginigit naman ng China, ano ang maaari nating magawa po rito? Hindi na natin ito dapat na i-honor, Justice?
Yung gentleman's agreement, because sikreto yan, walang nakaalam, walang pwede magprotesta at the time it was made, it will not be binding. Hindi binding yan sa next president. That is binding only between the two gentlemen. Kaya tinatawag gentleman's agreement kasi sa kanilang dalawa lang yan, the two gentlemen. No?
Mhm.
So it will not bind us. And anyway, sinabi na ni Pangulong Presidente Marcos Jr. na pag meron mang ganyan, I
I-rescind yan.
cancel it, I rescind it, sabi niya, no? So, ang problema diyan, talagang sisiraan tayo ng China na nag-commit tayo, yan ang binobroadcast nila sa mundo na nag-commit tayo na tanggalin na natin yung Sierra Madre. Pero we have to fight that na kasi yung si Duterte became president June 30 noon, no? Of June 30, 2016.
Right.
Yung Arbitral Award lumabas 2 weeks later, June 12, 2016. Wala pa naman siyang kinausap na Chinese at the time.
Mhm.
So, alam niya na nanalo na tayo sa Arbitral Award. Atin na yung initial part of our exclusive economic zone. Exclusive tayo. We have the sole right to erect a structure there. Tayo lang pwede magtayo ng struktura doon. So, mukhang talagang unheard of na pamimigay niya yung exclusive economic zone natin, no? Pero look at the past, no? After he became president, wala pang 3 months yata sinabi niya na nag-verbal instructions siya sa Navy, do not patrol beyond the territorial sea. Meaning yan, wag ka mag-patrol sa exclusive economic zone. Pag sinabi mo yan, that's a message to China na sige, kunin na ninyo ang aming exclusive economic zone. Yan ang meaning yan.
Para ipinamimigay
that's a
na.
violation of the Constitution. Tapos sabi niya pa, inamin niya, publicly, sinabi niya na pinayagan ko yung Chinese fishermen to fish. Pwede sila mangingisda sa ating exclusive economic zone sa West Philippine Sea. That violates the Constitution kasi sabi ng Constitution, we must reserve the use and enjoyment of our exclusive economic zone exclusively to Filipinos. Ang pwedeng mangisda lang dyan, Filipinos.
Right.
Yan ang mandando ng Constitution natin.